Like, do you see these curls? Like, man, like, I don't get curls like this. Alright guys, so I am back with another video for you. This time it is actually a product review. So I think this is going to be my first product review. And it is going to be a review on the Wetline Xtreme hair gel. This will be my first time trying out a gel on my hair, so I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. So yeah, let's see what this gel is all about. It is starting to dry out a little bit, so right before I apply the gel, I am definitely going to resaturate for sure. After doing a little bit of YouTube watching on some of the other reviews, I noticed that shingling seems to be the best way to get the most definition. I've never actually shingled my hair successfully, so I can't promise that is going to happen today. I am going to attempt that, but if it doesn't happen, it wasn't meant to be. But I'm gonna go ahead with the review. Not that the leave-in is applied. I can't compare it to the old Xtreme gel because I have not tried that, but let me see. I mean, it probably smells better than most gels that I've smelled. It smells better than Ego Styler. I mean, it feels like a gel to me. It's pretty tacky. So you guys, I really am loving this gel. Like, I can't even begin to express how much I love it. And I do have to wait until, of course, it dries. But so far, I love it a lot. So far, I really love using just gel on my hair. I have used Ego Styler gel on my hair, and that particular gel tends to dry my hair out more, so I don't use it that often. I use it for my low puffs, and I only use it to slick it back on like the top portion, like the top portion of my low puffs. I don't put it on all my hair, and it's because it's always drying my hair out. But now I feel like I finally found a gel that may actually not dry my hair out. So I don't know, I'm looking forward to using this gel for other things, because it seems to be going really well. This comb is getting every tangle out. I've said in many of my videos before that normally I finger detangle. However, because I'm using a gel on my wash and go and not like a jelly, I didn't want to make sure I get every tangle out because I wanted to try to shingle it. And I've noticed as I do shingle that if I don't comb it out and get every tangle out, it does look a hot mess. So I am going to continue to do that throughout this process. And as long as this wash and go turns out well, which I mean it looks like it will so far. I'm probably gonna do that going forward because I'm really good at this. Throughout doing this whole process, I've noticed that the most important thing, honestly, is how wet my hair is. And that is just consistent all across the board with wash and goes. Like, dry hair always equates to frizz. Always, always, always is going to be a frizzy mess. So, and then I'm gonna clump it. You guys see this? Like, oh my gosh. And the thing is, based upon how this side is drying, it's going to dry just like that. Alright guys, so I am back to show you my final results of my wash and go. So these are my final results, and I really love this gel. I love the Shingle method. It did take a long time to do, however, the outcome is amazing. Like, I never ever get this much definition from my wash and goes. Never. Did I say ever? ever, forever, ever. Like, this is the bomb. So I will for sure be doing this again. For sure be doing this again. And for sure be using that gel. I don't know if I'll do it all the time because it did take quite a while to do. I do think I'm going to try to do it in my normal method of washing, like, you know, how I normally do my washing goes. If that is a hot mess, then we're just going to toss that and just do the shingling. But even with that said, I don't think I'm going to shingle all the time. Now, I am a new fan of gel. So I will be using gel so much more often. So much more often. Because like I said, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't get curls like this. Like, my hair has never had this much definition, and it still has like a lot of body. I did add avocado oil to my hair, and then just to get off the gel casting, and then kind of stretch it out, pull it out a little bit. But other than that, it's soft. So Eco Stellar gel, when I tried it before, like I said before, it dried my hair out. But this is soft. It's not flaking. It's not drying my hair out. So I have a new gel, y'all. I have a new gel. What? I use gel now. So I'm really excited about this gel. I'm for sure going to be using it again. So if you use this gel, let me know what you think about it, because so far I'm really loving it. My hair is pretty much dry. Pretty much dry. But oh my gosh, y'all, like, do you see these curls? Like, man, like, I don't get curls like this. I don't get curls like this. I don't get curls like this. I mean, I didn't get curls like this. It's a new day. It's a new day, right? We get curls like this now. So yeah, Wetline Xtreme Gel gets an A+ in my book. I'm excited because I want to try new gels, and I want to try new shingling, like the shingling method with those gels. But yeah, my review so far for the Wetline Xtreme Gel is a yes. So yeah, if you try it, let me know what you think of it, because I'm in.